welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. You should already hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And if you're an oldie, welcome back. Come on in, we family. So today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail, we are doing a Shein haul. So let's get straight into it. The first item I got here is this cute plaid skirt. It's giving me a back to school vibe, and when I saw it, I definitely wanted to get it. Now for this size, I did get, I think it was a 2X. Get a 2X because I've had experience with previous skirts where there was no elastic in the skirts, so it was hard for it to fit around. If you got a little stomach, it don't work for you. So I did go up a size just to make sure that I had room and I was comfortable in it. So this is how the skirt looks. Cute little plaid pleated skirt. Thought it was really cute, something like giving me back to school vibes. Thought it was gonna give what it's supposed to give, so I cannot wait to style that look. A lot of the things in this haul was a lot of shirts, so that's what you'll see here a lot of, because I just needed some more t-shirts to be able to throw on with different bottoms. So that's what you'll see a lot of. So let's go ahead and get into some more shirts. This next item is this cool little tiger shirt. I thought it was different. I just like loose like t-shirts, you know, when I'm out doing my mom life things. I just want to be comfortable but cute at the same time. So I thought this would be a cute little shirt, a nice little style that I thought would be really cute to wear. It's very loose fitting, which I'm really looking forward to wearing. Like, I want to be comfortable when I'm out with my kids, so this is definitely a cute little top. Definitely a must-have to throw on and just get the day going. Right, this next item is these pants that I saw that were really cute. Like, I could see myself like really, like, you know, you see something, you can like, oh, I know how I'm gonna rock this. These were it. So these are printed pants that have like suspender straps to it. Listen, get into it, okay? Yes, it's gonna give what it's supposed to have gave, okay? These are so cute. They're loose. When I try them on, they fit perfect. I already know how I'm about to rock it. Now I just gotta be going somewhere so that it's gonna look okay. So this is definitely something you need to add to your cart list if you haven't already. All right, so since I just showed you guys those pants, I wanted to go in and show you guys this colorful skirt. Like, it's so cute. Since it's still summertime, I feel like what better way to show that than getting a colorful skirt. It has the elastic band, which I think is perfect. This is in a size 1X, guys. I just like to give myself a size up. So a 1X is my normal size. I like to get bigger, so I'm probably like a large, but a 1X, I like to be comfortable in. A lot of Shein clothes that I get, sometimes when you wash them, they shrink. So I just want to be prepared for longevity. So I did get an extra large. So that's something to keep in mind if you don't like tight clothes, or if you want to know how I would do after a wash. So that's why I normally go up on my sizes, especially why I went up on that size for that skirt. But this is a colorful little color block style skirt, which I really love that type of style, material, texture, all that good stuff. I love it. So this is definitely a must-have if you want to add it to your cart. Go ahead. Another skirt, y'all. Like, this skirt is so fire, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Like, when I saw it, I was like, I gotta have it. And then when I got it here, I was like, oh, I cannot wait to rock it. Okay, so this is the skirt. It is giving me very much sis knows and understands herself, very much so. Like, this skirt is giving. And then look at the bottom. Do you understand? Do you understand the mission? I mean, this is what it is. I love it. So this is definitely a must-have, guys. Cute. Cannot wear it. It's like when I see certain things on there, like sometimes I will like, if you ever shop on Shein before, you know how you click on something and start showing stuff like similar to it. Like if you click a skirt, all the skirts start showing up. Like, I started to look more into that because it'd be things I could miss just by looking at the one thing and then going back. If you shop there, you understand what I'm saying. So like when I started to look, I started seeing more. I'm like, where have I been? Like, first of all, where have I been? Because I'm just starting to like mosey on deep into their shoes. Like, It should not have taken this long, but it did. But we're gonna get it right, and that's okay. So we about to be coming back to back with some hauls, so y'all just be ready, okay? But this skirt right here, I cannot wait to wear. This next item is a shirt. I thought it was so cute. I love the little see-through polka dot sleeves. It says I am happy and free, which I thought was really cute. And I love the sleeves. It's very loose fitting, but I can see me rocking this and a cute little skirt. So definitely love this top. Love this type of material because I have a few shirts from Shein that are like this. They're very comfortable, very loose, and they wash well. So I still got an extra large, but for the most half, this shirt is very cute. I can see me like dressing it up, and you can dress this down with some pearls or different type of earrings, or just by lipstick. Like I can pop a red lip and it can dress the whole look up. So it's really on your choice, but I love this top, and definitely wanted to add it to my collection of like shirts I could throw on with some cute jeans or shorts or ripped jeans, and dress it up or dress it down however I feel that day. So definitely had to add this to my collection. Another shirt I wanted to add, because I really like print stuff, if you can tell, like not like the animal print, but just any type of print like that's really like detailed or design friendly, if that makes sense. So when I saw this, I had to get it. It was this cheetah, but it had like a plain, like the mauve color. I call it mauve, may not be the best way to describe it, but I love anything like this, like any pastel color. So when I saw these two together, I was like, I wanted to get it and just see how I could rock it. So I definitely wanted to get this shirt. It was cute. It's giving me like a collar shirt a little bit at the top, but it's really cute. Has a really collar style around the neck, but definitely looking forward to rocking this shirt. Loving the cheetah prints. Now, as y'all can tell, I do have on this like cheetah print, but these are pajama sets, and I actually got it with this order, but I had it on right now. So let me show y'all. It's a pajama set, so it comes with this top short sleeve and the bottoms, which are shorts. They're really cute and comfortable, very stretchy material to get moved around and be comfortable. And the last t-shirt that I have for myself is this green colorful shirt. You know, I love color blocks, so when I saw that this had the color blocks in the middle, I was like, I definitely have to purchase it. This is very cute, loose fitting. I like that the sleeves have the folded arm to it, which I thought was really cute, really casual but cute at the same time. Definitely not something I would want to dress up, but definitely something I want to be casual and cute. The two CCs, okay? So definitely this shirt was a add-on to my cart, and I love that it has the color block in the center. So if you like the color block scheme, definitely want to add this to the collection for you. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed my Shein haul and you made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.